Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Point Notes. Today we are going to cover part 3 of class 11th biology chapter 8 Cell the unit of life need PYQs. Let's start. Our first question is the Golgi complex plays a major role. Options are in post translational modification of protein and glucosidation of lipids. B. In trapping the light and transforming it into chemical energy. C. In digesting proteins and carbohydrates. D. As energy transferring organelles. The correct option is option number A, which is in post-translational modification of protein and glucosidation of lipids. Next question, question number 2. Which one of the following is not considered as a part of endomembrane system? Options are A. Vacuole, B. Lysosome, C. Golgi complex, D. Peroxisome. The correct option is option number D, which is peroxisome. Next question, question number 3. Important site for formation of glycoprotein and glycolipid is options are A. Lysosome, B. Vacuole, C. Golgi apparatus, D. Plastids. The correct option is option number C, which is Golgi apparatus. Next question, question number 4. In plant cell, the vacuole options are A. Contains air and lacks membrane. B. Contains water and excretory substance but lack membrane. C. Contains storage protein and lipids and is membrane bound. D. Is membrane bound, contain water and excretory substances. The correct option is option number D, which is membrane bound, contain water and excretory substances. Next question, question number 5. Organelle involved in modification and routing newly synthesized protein to their destination is options are A. Chloroplast, B. Lysosome, C. Mitochondrion, D. Endoplasmic reticulum. The correct option is option number D, which is endoplasmic reticulum. Next question, question number 6. Protein synthesis is an animal cell occurs in an animal cell occurs A. On cytosolic ribosomes only, B. On ribosomes attached to ER and nuclear envelope, C. On ribosomes present in nucleolus as well as cytoplasm, D. On ribosomes present both in cytoplasm as well as mitochondria. The correct option is option number D, which is on ribosomes present both in cytoplasm as well as mitochondria. Next question, question number 7. In protozoa like amoeba and paramecium, an organ is found for osmoregulation, which is A. Contractile vacuole, B. Mitochondria, C. Nucleus, D. Food vacuole. The correct option is option number A, which is contractile vacuole. Next question, question number 8. Which cell organelle is concerned with glycosylation of protein? Options are A. Ribosome, B. Peroxisome, C. Endoplasmic reticulum, D. Mitochondria. The correct option is option number C, which is endoplasmic reticulum. Next question, question number 9. Lysosomes contains A. Oxidative enzymes, B. Hydrolytic enzymes, C. Reductive enzymes, D. Anabolic enzymes. The correct option is option number B, which is hydrolytic enzymes. Next question, question number 10. Protein synthesis in an animal cell take place. Options are A. In the cytoplasm as well as in the endoplasmic reticulum, B. Only on ribose attached to nucleon, C. Only in the cytoplasm, D. In the nucleolus as well as in the cytoplasm. The correct option is option number A, which is in cytoplasm as well as in the endoplasmic reticulum. Next question, question number 11. Lysosomes are rich in options are A. Nucleic acid, B. Hydrolytic enzyme, C. Carbohydrates, D. Hormones. The correct option is option number B, which is hydrolytic enzymes. Next question, question number 12. Which of the following organelles contains enzymes that have digestive actions. Options are A. Ribosome, B. Polysomes, C. Plastids, D. Lysosomes. The correct option is option number D, which is lysosomes. Next question. Question number 13. Which one of the following organelles is located near the nucleus and contain a collection of flattened membrane bound cisternae? Options are A. Nucleolus, B. Mitochondria, C. Centriole, D. Golgi apparatus. The correct option is option number D, which is Golgi apparatus. Next question. Question number 14. Beside giving out secretory vesicles, the Golgi apparatus is also concerned with the formation of A. Lysosomes, B. Plastids, C. Grana of chloroplast, D. Cell plates after cell division in plants. The correct option is option number A, which is lysosomes. Next question. Question number 15. In plant cells, peroxisomes are associated with A. Photorespiration, B. Phototropism, C. Photoperiodism, D. Photosynthesis. The correct option is option number A, which is photorespiration. Next question. Question number 16. Membranous bag with hydrolytic enzymes which is used for controlling intracellular digestion of macromolecules is A. Endoplasmic reticulum, B. Nucleosome, C. Lysosome, D. Phagosome. The correct option is option number C, which is lysosome. Next question. Question number 17. Golgi apparatus is absent in. Options are A. Higher plants, B. Yeast, C. Bacteria and blue-green algae, D. None. The correct option is option number C, which is bacteria and blue-green algae. Next question. Question number 18. Which one is apparato reticulare? Options are A. Golgi apparatus, B. Endoplasmic reticulum, C. Microfilaments, D. Microtubules. The correct option is option number A, which is Golgi apparatus. Next question. Question number 19. In amoeba and paramecium, osmoregulation occurs through A. Pseudopodia, B. Nucleus, C. Contractile vacuole, D. General surface. The correct option is option number C, which is contractile vacuole. Next question. This is the last question of this video, so you have to answer this question. Let's see the question. Which one of the following pair of organelles does not contain DNA? Options are A. Mitochondria and lysosome, B. Chloroplast and vacuole, C. Lysosome and vacuoles, D. Nuclear envelope and mitochondria. So if you know the answer, do comment in the comment section, and we will discuss this question in the next video. Also, this was the question from previous video. Let's see. The major site for synthesis of lipid is. Options are nucleoplasm, B. RER, C. SER, D. Symplast. The correct answer of this question is option number SER. Option number C or SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So thank you very much for watching the video till end. Next part of this chapter will be uploaded soon. Thank you.